Hi guys, I'm just about to get in the bath, and I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna just about to put this bath bomb in. It's oh god damn it, pink something. It smells really nice. I love the smell of that. Okay, you ready? 3. Can't tell if you can see that or not. Okay, 3, 2, 1, kaboom. I'm just gonna guess you can see that. No, you can. I'll drop down. That does not look very pink, but it actually really is. Goes all the way around there and down to there. Where's the actual colour? Now we've got a pink bath. Somewhat. Yeah. Carrying on. Sorry, my phone died. Actually, carrying on that. Stop. I'm going to use this bit for one tomorrow. So pretty. My pink bath. It's like I don't go to town very much. My band. You're right there at the bottom. Can't really see it. There you go. Nice pink curtains. I can bring to close. No point in putting it. Oh, Jesus Christ, that scared me to death. There it is. Kablonk. So far, so slow down there. I didn't. Can you hear that? The guys left me. Oh yeah, by the way, I got that from Lush in town. Oh, I love her. Who are you? Come here. Sorry. Still pink. Pink, yes, Megan, that's so pink. Your yellow thing. Oh, look how small it is compared to what it was earlier. It's what, guys? I'll have stupid yellow things back in the water. See there? See here? And there? Anyway, I'll get in the bath and I'll carry on recording when I get out. Bye! I've just finished with the bath. Now you're pink and foamy. And now you can... Hi! Now you can sort of watch it. Good. I'm going to do half of it because there's a lot. It's chic. I got baby and just up there, by the way. That's what that noise was. If you even heard it. No focus. God, I hate my phone so much. Focus on the sink. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay.